Hello children, a very good morning to you all. Have a good day. Okay children, welcome to grade 2 English. So today we are going to see unit 5 prose. Okay, unit 5 we are going to see prose. The prose name is Funny Bunny. Okay children, shall we all start? So please open your book. Go to page number 80. Okay, what is a story? Okay, this is a story about a foolish bunny. Okay, here in the story the bunny name is Funny Bunny. It is named as Funny Bunny. Okay, one day he was sitting under a tree where there a nut fell on him. Okay, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Okay, he became so afraid and wrongly thought as that sky is going to fall. So, ouch, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. So he thought that the sky is going to fall, and he wanted to say that to the king. Okay, so he started walking towards to find the kings. Okay, on the way he met Henny Penny. Okay, when he was walking to find the king, he met Henny Penny. Okay, what it is? It is a hen. Okay, Henny Penny. So he said to Henny Penny as the sky is going to fall. So the Funny Bunny said the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king about this. Okay, so what happened? The Henny Penny, it said, I will come too. So he said that I also will come. Okay, so and off they went to find the king. So Henny Penny and Funny Bunny, they started walking towards to find the king. Okay, on the way again, soon they met Cocky Locky. Soon they met Cocky Locky. It is cock. Okay, so again the Funny Bunny said the sky is going to fall. So the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. As he said before to Henny, he said the same thing to the Cocky. Okay, then what happened? Cocky Locky said, I will come too. So Cocky also said that I also will come with you. Okay, so and off they went to find the king. So Cocky Locky, Henny Penny and Funny Bunny, three of them started to walk. Okay, next again on the way they met Lucky Ducky. So again when they were walking towards there, so they met Lucky Ducky. The Funny Bunny, the rabbit, it again said the sky is going to fall. I'm going to tell the king. So on saying this, the Lucky Ducky said, I will come too. I also will come with you. Okay. So next again they started to walk now. Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Lucky Ducky. So they all started to walk to find the king. Okay, and off they went to find the king. And on the way they met Pussy Goosey. What is that? It is a goose. Okay, Pussy Goosey. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. Again it said to goose that sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. Okay, then the Pussy Goosey, it said, I will come too. So I also will come with you. So what happened after the Pussy Goosey said that I will also come with you. Okay, I will also come with you, said Pussy Goosey. So finally the Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey, these five animals started to walk towards to find the king. Okay, again and off they went to find the king. On the way they met Woxy Foxy. So when they are coming, they met Woxy Foxy. Woxy Foxy is a fox. It is a cunning fox. Okay, so when they met the fox, they said the sky is going to fall. they all said. So when they met the fox, these animals said that the sky is going to fall. We are all going to tell the king. We are going to tell the king about this. So the fox, okay, it started to do a plan. It started to execute a plan. Okay, so the cunning fox, it said, the king lives here. Said Foxy, Foxy, follow me. So the fox is very hungry at that time, and he thought, okay, we'll make these animals as a food. So he thought that, and he said that king lives here. I will take to the place where the king lives. Okay, so follow me. So all of these animals followed the fox without knowing the actual thing. Okay, so and that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, and Pussy Goosey. The cunning fox, it decided to ate all the animals, and it lied to these animals, saying that king lives here. Follow me, I will take to the king, right? Okay, children, that was the end of the story. So shall we see the moral of the story? Yes. So the moral of the story is, do not jump on the conclusion without checking the real truth. What is the real truth here? Yes, children, the rabbit, it thought that nut which fell on him, right? It thought that it as a sky. So he thought something bad is going to happen without realizing what is happening around him. He didn't know the real truth. So he went and saying all that the sky is going to fall to all the animals. So, and do not blind follow any person, which means these animals like Henny Penny, Funny Bunny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, and Pussy Goosey, all these animals, what it did, it followed the fox, right? Knowing the cunningness of the fox, they all followed the fox, and finally what happened? The fox ate all these animals. Okay, children, that's what the moral of this story. Okay, children, shall we go for the next? So the next is new words. The first word is nut, N-U-T, nut. What is nut? A fruit consisting of a hard or tough shell. This is nut, a fruit consisting of hard or tough shell. Okay. Next word is bunny, B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. It is a young rabbit. Okay, children. So the next is garbage, G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. What is? Garbage is a waste to be thrown out. It is a waste to be thrown out. Okay, children. So next is foolish, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. What it mean? Lacking good sense or judgment. Lacking good sense or judgment. Okay, children. Next is book back exercise. So the book back exercise in page number 83. So in page number 83 you will find the filling the blanks, right? So you need to fill the correct word in the blanks given here. You need to read the story and you need to fill the answers here. So one day dash fell on Funny Bunny. One day what? Yes, nut. Similarly you have to do for the other questions here. So page number 84, circle odd one out. So here we have a words. You need to circle which one is odd one. Okay, here see sun, bun, sun, fun, gun, one. Which one is odd one? Yes, one. So this is an odd one out. Similarly here bet, fed, let, set, read. Which one it is? Said. Similarly you have to do for the other two. Okay, the next one is in page number 84. Find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. So there are words given here. You need to find the opposites, antonyms. Okay, opposites for these words and write it here, and you need to frame a sentence using this word. Okay children, read it well and do your assignments properly and send it to us. Okay children, take care. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.